Okay, guys, we're starting out here at Dressler's restaurant in the Metropolitan. So where are we at? Well, stick around and you'll find out. Well, hello again, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. Yep, I'll tell you where we are at. We are at Dressler's Restaurant, and this is in Charlotte, North Carolina. I am here with myself and the lovely Mrs. Southern E-Biking. We've come from our Airbnb and rode down this far, and we're exploring the Little Sugar Creek Trail today. And we've come through most of the urban parts of it. Now we're going to hit, I think, a little bit more of the rural parts of it. We've been about 5.5 miles or so, and we've got about 27 miles left to go. So, you ready to go, Michelle?
Yep, let's hit it.
All right.
You know, I now keep looking at that Dressler's place. They got some nice outdoor seating. We might catch dinner on the way back to the...
That might be where we stop for some lunch today.
Well, it's past lunchtime.
It's 1 o'clock already.
That's more like dinner time, unless we work midnight.
2 of us on your left. So this is day 2 of our October road trip, and you've probably already seen the video when we came in on day 1. But I got to tell you, and Michelle will attest to this. What do you think, Michelle?
What?
I was worked up last night because we've tried a lot of new things.
Sorry, Blaine, somebody coming on your left.
Okay. We were doing a lot of new things.
Can I just poke something in here?
Yeah.
That cyclist did not give any warning.
Yeah, I know.
At all.
I know.
And I just want to speak to our e-bike folks. Please don't be that person. That could, because I just swung over to the left there a little bit, and they didn't say word one, and that could have been an accident right there.
Yep. Yep.
So just word of wise to the folks
Word
out
to
there.
the wise. Word to the wise.
Anyway, continue. You were worked up last night.
Yeah. We well, no, this is another nice little park.
Something smells tasty.
Yeah, it does.
Well, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Is that a commute highlight right there?
You know what? It's not, but it's going to be. It will be.
Are we riding circles? Oh, okay.
It will be a commute highlight.
Too bad we can't take a picture of that nice, tasty smell we're smelling right now.
Yes, I know it. And we'll name that, highlight it later.
What we can name it, Blaine, is tasty smell at the water fountain.
Okay, I'm just going to circle around here, Michelle.
That's fine.
And we're going to head back on out the road there.
Yep. Oh man, what is that smell? Woo.
Yeah, it's pretty good. But we've been doing a lot of new things with the video lately, and I had to decide last night. I'm waiting for Michelle to catch up. Had to decide last night that we're gonna run this the way we've been running them, because I was kind of concerned that we were going to lose them. Now we're going to come across the bridge right here, Michelle.
Okay.
Two of us on your left. And we'll come this way here. But yeah, I was a little bit concerned that we were going to lose some video, and it's not like, hello puppy, how you doing today?
Hello.
All right.
Where are we?
We're coming through this way right here. This is the Morrison Gardens right here. I was a little bit concerned that we would lose a video at some point. Now we're going across here.
Okay.
Well, we made it through all them detours.
Yeah, but you got to tell them about the smells, man.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's lunchtime and we haven't had lunch and we're going through all these outdoor cafe eateries and it's like an assault on the senses and, you know, you're hungry and it's like, oh. So,
Yeah. Yeah, it smelled good, I can tell you that much. But we ended up having to go through a hospital parking lot, an emergency zone. And
the dental clinic.
yeah.
Anybody need a dentist? Here you go.
Hey, now there are some steps to come down, Michelle.
I'm good.
Can I go ahead and ride them ones?
Honey, I'll tell you what, that would probably make a real good short. And I would be glad that the hospital was right down the road.
There you go. There you go.
And the dental clinic. Because I could foresee broken bones and broken teeth.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So, two of us on your left. How y'all doing?
On your left, guys. Thank you so much.
I am seeing a lot of side trails here.
Yeah, there's lots of trails. I wonder if they're connector trails.
And I gotta wonder. No, it's not, because across this creek is a ton of.
I'll bet you those are bike
hiking
trails.
I'm not sure if they're hiking or biking trails. Yeah, there are some biking trails with them as well.
Yeah, those are bike trails.
Those are biking trails as well.
Absolutely.
So now I will say one thing, and I'm hoping.
Left or right? Well,
we're coming straight through here.
Okay.
I am. How y'all doing today?
Hello.
I am in very high.
Oh, there was a hanging bridge. It's not really a good hanging bridge, though.
Okay.
Never mind.
Okay.
I was going to be like, we got to stop. Remember the last hanging bridge we did on that trail, Jackson River Trail, Scenic Trail?
Yeah. I'm hoping that I was going to try and wear my backpack today. That's something that I'm exploring right now, and that would be extremely good for this type of ride when we're out on a relatively long ride, because we're going to be riding, I don't know, 30 to 35 miles today. That would be a real good thing to do, but I was not able, we're going to cross the road up here, Michelle.
Okay.
I was not able to wear it because you're clear. Shortly.
You can probably ride the road through here.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we'll drop off the sidewalk.
All right, we'll drop down on.
Yeah.
Got one.
Oh, there's another e-bike.
I don't know what that is.
There's a big house.
Oh, he's going to go ahead and let
sorry.
us.
We got to get off this.
Yeah, let's go ahead and drop down. But what has kept me from doing that is it has a strap across my chest, and a few days, like 2 days before we left, I had to go in and I had a spot on my chest, and they kind of whacked it off to check it. Left about a dime-sized hole there, and that strap that goes across the two shoulder straps goes right across there. So, all right, Michelle's wanting to roll on here a little bit, so. Now guys, this was about a 34-mile trail, and we can't show you every bit of it, but we certainly wanted you to see as much as we could. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut in some clips right here of different places so that you guys can get more of a feel for the trail. So sit back and enjoy this, and we'll catch back up with you live here in just a few miles down the trail. So grab you some popcorn and sit back and enjoy. right, guys, we are on our way to the far end of what we had routed out on this trail, and this is the birthplace of President James Polk. It's supposed to be some still historic buildings up here. This was a really nice trail, a little bit on the hectic side up towards the urban areas. Oh, look at this.
Well, so that's cool.
We're going to take a look around here. Okay, guys, so we have made it up to the James Polk birthplace. I am going to assume this is going to be it. Back here, and a really cool trail. All the way down here. This is as far as we routed it because this gave us right at about 30 some miles to turn back. And it looked like to go other places. Let's see what we got here. This is a President James K. Polk State Historic Site. And you can just hit that pause and go ahead and read that. And of course, tobacco in the Piedmont. If any of you guys have watched my channel for any time, any of the rides that I do at home, you know tobacco is a big thing in the Piedmont of North Carolina. Now, these buildings are not his birthplace, but they are original buildings from the era. I don't know if they're locked up or not.
I'm sure they are. Yeah, they are.
Well, sometimes they are not. There's also a visitor center here, and as you can see from the parking lot, enough people go ahead and light out from here as well onto the Sugar Creek Greenway. And this is some more of the urban areas here on the Little Sugar Creek. You are officially in the urban section. And this is a pretty common thing right here. But you know, so many places do not, on your left. How you doing today?
Pretty.
So many places, cities do not have things like this, that we are really blessed here in North Carolina on this. What do you think, Michelle?
Yeah, where do we go?
We're going to follow down the road here. We're going to end up going straight across.
Here?
Yep. So, all right, we're going to get on across the road here. It looks like he's already hit it for us.
350 feet, turn left onto Country Club Drive.
All right, guys, so we're headed back over. Finished out the Little Sugar Creek Greenway from end to end. That ended up being, you're going to turn to the left here, Michelle. Ended up being it's going to be about 33, just under 34 miles, it appears like. But we're going to get back. The only bad thing is all them restaurants that we passed on the way, they weren't open. We went by a bunch of them that were open so that we could stop at one that looked really good. And it was the last one and it wasn't open. So we're gonna go have to find something somewhere for a little light lunch. So, yeah, Michelle,
Yep.
what are we gonna tell them?
Oh, why do you always ask me that?
Stay safe. What else?
God bless.
God bless. What else?
And keep your mouth shut. No.
You got a car coming up behind you, Michelle. And keep the wheels rolling. Once again, we're out.